welcome back to another video. Today is a pretty special one. I've been looking forward to filming for a while now. If you're curious about these, it's a future video, don't worry about it. Hopefully it will turn into something and not nothing. But for the video today, it's going to be my first time skydiving. So I've always looked at skydiving and I was like, wow, that is a crazy experience that people must love having or hate having. But I was never super motivated to actually go skydiving until this year. This year was kind of like the turning point for me when I actually watched the videos of it and I was like, wow, that seems like a lot of fun. So I should actually do it. And so recently I had a reason to actually go and do it. And so yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm really excited for this video. It probably won't be super long, but it's going to be super cool. Yeah, I'm not super nervous, honestly, because I don't know. I figured I would be a little bit more nervous. I probably will get a little bit more nervous once I actually get in the plane, but I'm mainly just excited to do this and be able to say that I've done this before. So yeah, let's see where this goes.
Oh my man, how's that?
That was great.
Do it again?
Oh, absolutely.